Change filament offline. Step 1. Switch on the power at the back and the front of your 3D printer. Select Utility, Filament Loading, Unload, and press OK. Then the nozzle will be heated automatically. When the extruder reaches a specific temperature and a beep is played, the extruder will start to unload the filament automatically. Wait for 5 seconds, press the extruder handler and pull out the filament from the feeding inlet. Press the left arrow button to exit the unload process. Step 2. Insert the new filament into the extruder feeding inlet. Select Utilities, Change Filament, Load, and press OK to start preheating the nozzle. After the extruder reaches the specific temperature, it will start to load the filament automatically. Wait for 30 seconds and then press the left arrow button to exit the load process.